Hey everybody, welcome to day 9 of 25 Days of Essentialism. We are on chapter 7, which is titled Play. And the quote here it says, "A little nonsense now and then is cherished by the wisest men." That's a pretty fun quote. Now, I read this chapter, and if you are one of those people that already does a lot of playing and feels free, then this probably won't be super impactful for you because it'll just make sense. And this will be a short little video today because I just wrote down some images that kind of come to mind with this whole thing of playing. And I think what happens is, at least for me, I live in a place where there's lots of rules and you're trying to like focus and get things done and be productive and all those kind of things. And what that does is it shuts down our creativity, it shuts down our imagination, and deadlines shut that kind of thing down. And so what I think play does, what kind of came away, is that it really opens us up to possibility and imagination and lets our brain explore and come up with new ideas without actually trying to come up with new ideas. And so here's what I wrote down, that it's kind of like driving a convertible down the freeway. It's just fun and it feels free and open. Have you ever driven in a convertible? It's much different than driving in a regular car. It's like when you open up all the windows in your house, especially if it's a windy day, and it just feels like there's fresh air and it's open. And have you ever eaten in a restaurant that has where they can like open up the entire wall and you can just see outside and all the air comes in, and you just, for me anyway, it just feels open and free, and I don't know how to put that, but I guess what it does. Or in the same way, you're eating outside instead of inside a restaurant, where you can take in all the scenery. Or have you ever walked into a room that had a 50-foot ceiling, and you walk into that space and you just are drawn up and go, wow. And you just feel lighter and it feels open. I think that's what play does. So I think it frees us and it frees our imagination and it lets us to think outside the box. And I've found that when I'm playing or distracted by doing something else, I come up with my best ideas. So, all right, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius. I'll see you guys tomorrow as we take on chapter 8. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.